Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here again with a new free video tutorial on artificial intelligence or AI project management. Project management in different domains has been there for quite many years, and software project management is comparatively new that came into existence with the growth of software projects during the later part of the last century. Software project management, an essential element of software engineering, has a pivotal role in the successful development and implementation of a software project. With the increasing complexities in businesses and user requirements, software development and implementation processes have radically changed during the last and the present decade. These are becoming more prominent with the recent growth of a large number of AI projects that need special attention for their success. AI projects mainly cover machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing or NLP, computer vision, and generative AI. AI projects, being new, are continuously evolving and maturing to address several associated issues, risks, and challenges. It is becoming essential to know the new software engineering methodologies like DevOps, MLOps, and LLMOps, along with prior knowledge and experience in traditional software engineering. However, I was not able to trace any suitable video that covers these topics together for project readiness. So I feel the urgency to prepare this video to provide a comprehensive overview of software project management, covering both traditional and latest practices with special emphasis on AI projects. Please keep the patience to watch this short video till the end to get to know all the important sections. But at the same time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel to inspire me to bring out more such important free videos for your benefit. Thank you.
Software project management is a crucial element in ensuring the success of any development endeavor. It involves planning, executing, and monitoring projects to achieve specific goals within given constraints such as time, budget, and resources. Effective project management can significantly impact the quality and delivery of software products, making it essential for organizations aiming for operational excellence. One of the primary roles of a project manager is to define the project scope and set realistic timelines. This includes identifying project milestones, allocating tasks to team members, and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Communication is key in this process. Regular updates and meetings help keep the project on track and address any issues promptly. Risk management is another critical aspect of software project management. Anticipating potential problems and developing mitigation strategies can save a project from costly delays and failures. By identifying risks early, project managers can create contingency plans and allocate resources effectively to address any challenges that arise. Lastly, successful project management hinges on continuous improvement. After a project is completed, conducting a thorough review to identify what worked well and what didn't can provide valuable insights. These lessons learned can then be applied to future projects, fostering a culture of continuous improvement within the organization. DevOps is a set of practices that combines software development, dev, and IT operations, ops. Its goal is to shorten the system's development lifecycle and provide continuous delivery with high software quality. Implementing DevOps can result in faster development cycles, reduced deployment failures, and improved collaboration between teams. One of the core principles of DevOps is automation. Automating repetitive tasks such as code integration, testing, and deployment can significantly reduce human error and speed up the development process. Continuous integration (CI) and continuous deployment (CD) are critical components of DevOps that facilitate this automation. Another best practice in DevOps is to foster a collaborative culture. Breaking down silos between development and operations teams ensures that everyone works towards common objectives. This can be achieved through regular communication, shared goals, and collaborative tools that facilitate real-time cooperation. Monitoring and logging are also essential in a DevOps environment. By continuously monitoring applications and infrastructure, teams can detect and resolve issues before they impact end users. Logging provides a detailed record of system activities, which can be invaluable for troubleshooting and improving system performance. The MLOps, or machine learning operations, extends the principles of DevOps to machine learning and AI projects. It focuses on streamlining the deployment, monitoring, and management of machine learning models. The goal is to ensure that models are reliable, scalable, and maintainable. Version control is a fundamental practice in MLOps. Keeping track of different versions of datasets, models, and code ensures that changes can be traced and reproduced. This is particularly important in machine learning, where models often need to be updated as new data becomes available. Another key strategy is to automate the pipeline from data ingestion to model deployment. This includes automating tasks such as data pre-processing, feature engineering, model training, and evaluation. Automation not only speeds up the development process, but also ensures consistency and reliability. Monitoring and governance are also critical in MLOps. Continuously monitoring model performance helps detect drifts in model accuracy and allows for timely updates. Governance practices ensure that models comply with regulations and ethical standards, which is crucial in sectors like healthcare and finance. Section 4. Project Lifecycle for Data Science and Machine Learning. The project lifecycle for data science, machine learning, and deep learning involves several stages, each with its own set of activities and deliverables. Understanding this lifecycle can help project managers effectively plan and execute AI projects. The first stage is problem definition. This involves understanding the business problem and defining the project objectives. Clear problem definition ensures that the project team has a shared understanding of what they are trying to achieve. The next stage is data collection and pre-processing. This involves gathering relevant data and preparing it for analysis. Data pre-processing tasks such as cleaning, normalization, and transformation are crucial for ensuring the quality and reliability of the data. Model development is the third stage. This involves selecting appropriate algorithms, training models, and evaluating their performance. Iterative experimentation is often required to fine-tune models and achieve the desired accuracy. The final stage is deployment and monitoring. Deploying the model into production and continuously monitoring its performance ensures that it delivers value. Regular updates and maintenance are necessary to adapt to changing data and business needs. Section 5. Real-life examples and further resources. Real-life examples can provide valuable insights into the practical application of software project management principles. For instance, companies like Netflix and Amazon have successfully implemented DevOps and MLOps practices to achieve rapid innovation and high service reliability. Netflix uses a microservices architecture and continuous delivery pipelines to deploy hundreds of changes every day. Their approach to DevOps has enabled them to scale their services and deliver a seamless user experience. Amazon, on the other hand, leverages MLOps to personalize customer recommendations and optimize inventory management. For those looking to delve deeper into software project management, several online resources can be helpful. Platforms like Coursera and Udacity offer courses on DevOps and MLOps. Books such as The Phoenix Project by Gene Kim and Machine Learning Engineering by Andrei Burkhoff provide in-depth knowledge and practical insights. Reference models such as the CRISP-DM, Cross-Industry Standard Process for Data Mining, framework, and the DevOps Infinity Loop can serve as guides for structuring and managing projects. These models offer a systematic approach to problem solving and continuous improvement.